So the first actual part break on this Lymow is these wheels here. It's just, they are not springy at all. This one still springs, but this one is completely broke. You can kind of see it up there. So from what I've been reading, you call Lymow and they send you a new one, because apparently this is a very, very common problem. But there is a fix you can do where you heat the spring up and bend it, and it'll get you by until the new one shows up. So yeah, to fix this spring, there's a bolt here, bolt here. That'll take this whole bumper off, and there's two springs on here. And then there's one screw, come on, focus. There's one screw right there, comes off. And then on this sensor, there's another screw that comes off for the wire. And then this, you may have to tap this piece off. It's on a tight square deal. And then this whole wheel will just slide off. You might have to push this corner down a little bit to get it past. So you can clearly tell this spring is broken right here compared to what it should look like over here. So it's a 2.5 millimeter, which I lost the one out of that kit. So apparently over on this side, there is a wire, the switch deal on it, so got to take this switch off. Phillips head screwdriver. That's it. And here is the broken spring. So yeah, with the cover off, you can clearly see the spring is supposed to have a deal angled that way, and it broke off. So I'm gonna go see if I can heat it up and then bend it back. From what I've been reading online is they need to be like 180 from each other. So this one over here, and then this one needs to be over here. So I'm probably gonna have to like cut it here and then bend it out there. And then I'll just go ahead and snip that off and should be good. They are 180 degrees-ish across from each other. That should be enough to get me by for a couple days. So here's the new spring. That has a slot. And that right there has a slot. So just get it on here. Gotta push down, slide it by, get that lined up. And now we have spring. So we just gotta attach this, which there's a little pin on it, and there's that back hole. Goes on. And so I've got a little bit of blue Loctite, and I'm gonna put it on all the threads, which this has a squared hole. This tip right here is squared. So it's gotta be rotated a certain way. And then I just tap them on a little bit. There we go. Little bit of Loctite, or a lot. And screw that thing in. And then we got to put the bumper back on. So we got 2 holes for springs right there. Then the bottom of this has these little deals that the springs are supposed to go into. And then on the bottom, there's some holes. So you got to push it down. And once I actually hopefully get the spring from a new spring from Lymow, I will have to take all this back apart. Alright, and then yeah, these are just 3mm. Just pretty much plastic, so don't want to get it too tight. You don't want to strip it. But that's it.